Hey guys, this is Andreas from SmartLink B2B Solutions. We are a cold email outreach company that specializes in script writing, in lead generation. We also build custom cold email infrastructures and audit email deliverability. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to set up a proxy for cold emails. So first things first, why do we do this? We do this to ensure the IP of the cold email setup is consistent with the IP of the billing address, and we want to also add an extra safety layer. We want to prevent having too many email accounts on the same IP address. So, how do we do this? First, we gotta head out to IP Royale. We create an account and log in. Then choose residential and scroll down to the proxy access part. Then we choose the country and city where we want our IP to be located. As a protocol, we choose SOCKS 5 and rotation sticky IP. And for the time to live, we choose 7 days. Then we click clear sessions and the application will generate some IP addresses for us. We are just gonna copy one of them and then head out to Incognition, where we create an account, download and install the application, and open the Incognition application. After you open it and log in, we just create a new profile. We name the profile, I'm gonna name it Smart Link Team. We choose the operating system as a Mac. We click Randomize Fingerprint and choose fill language based on IP if you want that. Then just add the proxy. The connection time would be a SOC 5. Then we just paste the IP we copied. The proxy username and the password will be filled in automatically. We choose rotating proxy and then just click check proxy and the IP address will be generated for us. We just copy this IP address, head out to Scamalytics, you have the link here. We copy paste the IP address and we will have our fraud score. Here we have a fraud score of 10. We want to aim for a fraud score that is lower than 2. So we are just gonna generate a new IP from IP Royale. We will click clear sessions again and copy another IP. Click check proxy again and a new IP will be generated. We copy this IP, we head out once again to Scamalytics, copy paste our new IP, and yet again we have a too high fraud score. So we're gonna head out again to IP Royale, click clear sessions, copy another IP, again paste it, click check proxy, copy the IP again, and do this till we have a fraud score that is lower than 2. Here we have it. Okay, then we just want to proceed to create the profile. We will create the profile. Here we have our browser. We are just gonna click start and the browser will be launching in 2 seconds. Okay, we see here it's opening right now. And here we have our browser. So as a tip, I would never start setting up email accounts without warming the proxy up. Warming up the proxy means gathering cookies from popular sites like Reddit or TikTok to mimic human behavior. So if you guys have any other questions, please, you can just leave me a comment in the YouTube section or book a meeting with me. You have the link in this document.